Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Docker and Docker Compose are installed and that you can run Docker commands without sudo. Create a persistent directory for your registry data and TLS certificates. This keeps images across restarts. Next, generate a self-signed TLS certificate for local secure access, or explicitly choose HTTP for quick testing, but be aware of security trade-offs. Once done, you'll write a minimal Docker Compose file to launch the registry container with mapped volumes and network settings. You now create a Docker Compose. IML defining the registry. Use registry to mount data and certs, expose port 5000 and add restart policies. Add a config. IML to configure storage drivers and the HTTP section pointing to your TLS cert and key. Include basic auth later if needed. Run Docker Compose upd, then inspect logs with Docker Compose logs registry. Make sure the container binds to 0, 0, 0, 0, 5000 and that TLS files are readable. If not, correct ownership and permissions, then restart. You tag a local image as localhost, 5000/myimage, tag and push it. This verifies write access. Once pushed, pull it back on the same host or another machine to confirm retrieval, and query the registry API endpoint /v2/catalog to list repositories. If anything fails, check TLS errors first, then firewall rules and file permissions. Make sure the Docker daemon is configured for an insecure registry only in trusted environments. Otherwise, fix cert trust or add CA to the system store, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.